Hello and welcome everyone. And this is gonna show you here about to help you how you start to make or handle weapon with left side or right side on Valorant. And we are about to show you here how we started to do that. Okay. First of all, if you're really looking for this video, just started to go to click here on right top corner settings. Now, as you can see, you're gonna have to be clicking on settings again. Now we have to start to go for scrolling down here, and then as you can see you're gonna have to start to see something that's called first person handedness, which is gonna be really on user interface settings, and this will about to start to go to see agent viewed in first person, are right-handed or left-handed. So I'm gonna tell you now how you can start to carry your weapon with the right hand. You just click on right, and then it's gonna about to click here on left hand. You can actually do one of them. That's gonna really help a lot to go for this kind of things, which is going to be really about that. So that's all about to help you here on this video.